Hey, what's up? It's Devon Ridge, martial artist and certified trainer for the FREELETICS app. Pistol squats are the ultimate lower body exercise. But before you try them, you should master the assisted pistol squats to get your balance, strength, and mobility. Here are my top tips for mastering assisted pistol squats. Number 1, when lowering into the squat, rotate your knee outwards. This will help you keep your balance. Number 2, keep your chest upright and your spine neutral to stabilize your shoulders and back. Number 3, keep your foot flat on the ground at all times. Push evenly from heel to toe. Number 4, at the bottom of the squat, aim to get your hips below your knees. If this is too difficult, don't be afraid to adjust your level of assistance and the depth of the squat. For more information about pistol squats, head over to the FREELETICS blog now.